I'm in the Dales, it's the middle of February, and the nights are getting shorter, but it's still worthwhile killing time doing a bit of food preparation. So tonight, on the first of a multi-day bike trip, I'm going to do a pasta dish. I've already done the pasta itself. It's sitting here in the pot cosy. You can cook pasta the same way you do rice in a pot cosy, but I've always sort of found it a bit hit and miss. You tend to get a lot of slimy pasta as a result, so I prefer to actually cook it properly. It doesn't take long. So we're now going to do the sauce. Thing is, you could just cook pasta and then stir in one of these sauces you buy from the shop, Dolmio, but to be quite honest, they're fucking horrible. Loaded with salt and sugar, and it's so easy doing a sauce that you might as well, while you're sitting in your tent waiting for dawn. So the first thing we're going to do is the usual: onion, fry it off for a few minutes. While I was frying the onions, I chopped up a couple of mushrooms. Depending on where you are and what time of year, you might be able to actually forage these en route, which is something I've done before. But in the middle of February in the Dales, not that easy. Stir those in, fry them in a low heat, again just for a couple of minutes with the onions. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to chop up a tomato. Okay, tomatoes going in. Give it a good stir. And then we're going to put in a mixture of tomato puree, lazy chili and red pesto. Give it a good stir. A little bit of mixed herbs and garlic powder. I didn't go for the fresh garlic on this occasion. Okay, so that's smelling really nice now. And if I can get the light on it, you can see what it looks like. So we're just going to simmer that for a couple of minutes, and then it'll be good to have the pasta stirred back into it. Really quick, really easy. You can see I'm using the little fire maple stove again, because they were good enough to send me a new burner head from China, free of charge, and it's working great now. That's just about done. Going to put the pasta in, just stir it in nice and easy so it doesn't stick to the pan. In fact, we'll switch the gas off because we don't really need it. The pasta's still warm. And there you go. You've got a pasta dish made with fresh ingredients. It's only taken a couple of minutes to cook, and yeah, it even tastes good.